everyone, welcome back to Eyes on Digital. My name is Suzanne, and today we're going to discuss some reasons why your business should utilize social media management professionals. Reason number one, you should focus your energy elsewhere. You may think that managing your business's social media yourself is an easy task, but creating and planning social media content for multiple platforms can take up a lot of time and effort. As a business owner, you should be spending your energy on other tasks that deserve more of your undivided attention. Number two, get a fresh perspective. While you may know everything about your business, sometimes it's in your best interest to get a new set of eyes to look at your social media accounts. When you hire a professional, you're paying for their experience and working knowledge. A good social media management agency will come up with innovative ideas and provide insight into what other competitors in your industry are doing with their platform. Number three, maintain consistency. Your customers should easily recognize your brand's content when they're scrolling through their homepage. When multiple people are posting across your social media accounts at once, your brand's voice can get lost very easily. Are you looking to make your brand more relevant across social media? Getting help from a professional may be your best bet. Here at Socialize Marketing, our digital content team will revamp your online presence through social media strategy, campaigns, remarketing, and community engagement. For more information, visit getsocialize.com or give us a call. Thank you.